happen. We could potentially see an inch of accumulation overnight tonight, another inch maybe tomorrow. So that puts us at 2 inches. But by the time Christmas rolls around, we're looking at a high of about 40 degrees. So whether that stays, most of it, I think, is going to melt at that point. Today, it's a damp, cloudy day out there. There's the chill in the air, especially with that dampness. First day of winter. Winter started just after midnight, right around 1 o'clock. And it's not feeling too winter-like out there. While we are cloudy, we're looking at temperatures seasonably mild for this time of year, and we're dealing with some nuisance drizzle moving across the area. Here you can see that on forewarned Doppler. The heaviest stuff concentrated in the southern tier. But first, let's head to the Niagara frontier. A little bit of drizzle around the Medina area and out towards Batavia. For the most part, Amherst, you're mainly dry. Cheektowaga, Depew, also mainly dry. As we head further south, maybe a little bit of drizzle around Lackawanna and Hamburg. Springville, some of that. Even a little bit of a mix showing up here on forewarned Doppler, but the surface temperatures are well above freezing. So we're going to continue to see mainly rain, at least for the remainder of today, or drizzle, I should say. Tonight, though, our temperatures are going to cool. We're going to start to see some mixing in there. With the satellite and radar, moisture as close as Kentucky and Ohio is going to continue to work its way towards our area. This is where we're going to get the chance of rain showers and maybe snow in the evening, and then this is going to change to snow overnight. So if you're traveling early tomorrow, you do want to be aware that you could be dealing with some snow. I don't think we'll have roadways becoming too slick out there because we're not looking at any significant accumulation. Nonetheless, here we are with Super Microcast noon, mainly dry, just the spotty nuisance drizzle continuing. As we work our way into the evening hours, there's a chance of a few rain showers changing over to snow, especially for those of you south of Buffalo. Moisture increases northward during the overnight hours. As temperatures cool, we see that change over to snow. We're going to stop it here Friday at 6 a.m. Notice we're mainly blue at that point, meaning mainly snow. About an inch of accumulation is possible tomorrow. Some isolated areas could see up to 2 inches. This event begins to taper off by the early afternoon tomorrow. Now we're at 41 degrees, 42 in the Falls, 41 in Dunkirk and Bradford, 42 for those of you in Wellsville, 39 in Jamestown. Temperatures near steady throughout the day. We're looking at a high of about 43. Again, some scattered drizzle this afternoon, especially for those of you to the south of Buffalo. Otherwise, we're mostly cloudy and we're cooler. Now, for tonight, we start to see rain developing, mixing with snow, eventually changing over to all snow during the overnight hours, first in areas south, then spreading to the Niagara frontier. We're looking at about an inch or less of accumulation, especially for those of you in areas south of Buffalo. A low tonight around 30 degrees. Now, for tomorrow, snow is likely, especially through the early afternoon hours. We'll pick up about an inch or less of accumulation. We are cold tomorrow, though. A high temperature of 33, but that's right where we should be this time of year. As we look to the next 7 days, for Saturday, a high of 36. There is the chance of some snow for Christmas Eve day. For Christmas Day, a high of 39. The chance of snow, maybe a wintry mix, especially later in the day. And then for Monday, we're looking at a high of 34 with the chance of some snow. We'll keep it dry for Tuesday and Wednesday. High temperatures those days, Victoria, in the upper 30s.